please press the bell icon and never miss a video from the Aesthetic Clinics and Dr. Debraj Shome.
Good morning. Today we are talking on restoring facial volume and how facial volume can be restored using either fat or using dermal fillers. I used to use a lot of fat grafting, but now we don't use it as often. The reason is that fat is unpredictable, fat needs to be removed through a surgery, fat can get absorbed, or fat can become lumpy. On the other hand, dermal fillers come out of a syringe, they don't need a surgery, they can be inserted or injected in a doctor's outpatient room. You can get very predictable results, and yes, they will get absorbed, but who said fat is permanent in the first place? So as a result of which, we tend to feel that fillers, especially the quality of fillers coming out now, makes injecting fillers a much more predictable job than injecting fat.
Hello, I'm Dr. Debraj Shome. I'm a facial plastic surgeon. I trained in the United States, Singapore, Europe and India, and now currently I'm practicing in Mumbai, India. Facial plastic surgery is a specialty in which plastic surgeons train only in surgeries of the face. This is a very nascent specialty in India, and there are only 3 or 4 surgeons in the whole of India. Thank you for allowing us to participate in your case.
Thank you for listening. Do not forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to our videos from the Aesthetic Clinics and from Dr. Debraj Shome.